Okay, welcome. I wanted to share with you a little bit about the Genesee Academy offerings for Ensemble Logical Modeling and Data Vault Modeling. So let's take a quick look. The foundation of pretty much everything we do in Ensemble Modeling, whether it's the logical facing ELM for really business mapping, or whether it's for the Data Vault modeling itself, that really translates directly into how we store data. The foundations of it are all about Ensemble and Ensemble Modeling. So here's the point that had to get made, which is every time anything changes, it impacts the entire thing. So the frustration is you change something, the whole thing's got to be redone. And so a clever person then says, I get an idea. Why don't you just separate the things that change from the things that don't change? Sounds simple, but this is the foundation of pretty much everything we do in ELM and in Data Vault. This picture I always refer to as the most important picture in all of the training we do and everything we provide. It's about unified decomposition. What that means is that we take what is encapsulated into a single form in concepts or entities or dimensions, whatever it is we work with, the single key and everything about that instance of one individual, one product, and we put it into multiple table parts or multiple components, but they act as though they are still just one thing. They form a relationship together bound by the key dependency of the hub that makes sure that they're still treated as one instance of one thing. That's really how the entire thing works. This is what is giving us this kind of agility where when something new comes in, we can roll in the new feature without having to worry about any re-engineering. We're just adding to things. We don't have to worry about excessive regression testing. It just adapts to change in a very elegant way. And this is what our modeling techniques do. The heart of it all is understanding that we need to model core business concepts, event, person, place, thing. And when we start to pull one off, customer, product, whatever it is, we just start with the idea that it's going to be an ensemble. At the heart of it, there will be a hub. From there, we're going to add onto it the different satellites that provide context, descriptive information, and history, and then also the relationships of how they relate to other concepts also in the model. That's really how the whole thing works. What we provide at Genesee Academy is two forms now of certification. Our newly introduced, the CBCM, Certified Business Concept Maven, and what that is about business mapping and ELM certification, learning how to easily map with business during an ELM workshop, and then document and go through the steps for the artifacts we need. It's a 2-day course. There's multiple group exercises, and it's very interactive, does a great job. The other one is the CDVDM, the Certified Data Vault Data Modeler. That's our Data Vault certification course. This one is a true modeling-based course to get architects and people in the organization, developers and anyone, testers, to understand more deeply the dynamics of how Data Vault works, what things happen. We have very interactive group cases as well as discussions to make sure we understand how to apply it in a meaningful way to your business. So we look forward to seeing you in a class for the ELM certification or for the Certified Data Vault Data Modeler. The classes are run globally and online. You can get a hold of us on GeneseeAcademy.com. We'll see you there.